Next, we're going to work on some lumbar side bending. If you're okay being on your hands and knees, we'll assume this position. You're going to slide back into child's pose, walk your hands out in front of you, and then walk your hands to the side. You're going to feel a big bowstring and stretch on that opposite side you're reaching to. Take a deep breath in and out. You can hang out there for 1 or 2 breaths, depending on how stretchy it is versus pain. Walking back over. Deep breath in and out. Back to the other side. You can go ahead and repeat this 10 times to the left, 10 times to the right, for about 2 breaths each way.